What's up guys, welcome to a new video. Right now I'm watching this How to Train Your Dragon 2. Basically what that is, if you don't know what that is, that's Toothless' scales because I just paused it. But this part right here I want to show you because I feel like Toothless was kind of being a betrayer. Look. Look right here, right here. That right there, the dust. Look right here.
Hold him there, Toothless. It's all over now.
Then the bewildered beast comes out in the background, back over here. Look, right there was after Toothless did that skydive type of thing, and he did this. Was he trying to be a betrayer? Because it looked like he wanted the bewildered beast to come. So yeah, guys, I just need to make a video for that. Yeah, and this is also for my teacher because my teacher, she I hope she watches it because she doesn't know what this stuff is. I know, but I hope you guys like the video. Please tell me if you think that he is a betrayer or not. All right? Thank you guys. Thanks. Bye.